So here we are, guys. This was the cheapest package I could find online. It's not the neatest installation possible, but it's not the worst either. I know you guys are going to have a fit about this curtain being here. I'm just trying to keep it out the way with this metal bar on the top, because I don't want anything obstructing the intake for the cooling. I just want to mention that this is actually not the final position of this system. I'm still going to build a power room, maybe 1.2 by 1.2 outside, behind this wall, directly behind this wall, because my mains DB is also just behind this wall on the outside. So what I want to do is I want to enclose that whole area with a power room, and then it will be safe, secure, and my existing DB board will be inside with the inverter and everything else. That was my master plan. But anyway, I just want to give those of you who haven't dealt with this issue already, these ecco packs, when you buy it as a kit, there are a couple of things that I think you should be aware of. I find it strange, but this ecco battery in particular does not communicate with the 6.2 kilowatt ecco inverter. They do not communicate out of the box. I've tried it. I got error codes on all the settings. The only way you can get it to work is to use it on user-defined settings, which is not ideal. So what happened was I took this battery to Grid Solutions, and they were willing to help me. They flashed the battery with a new protocol. I think it's a Polyon Tech protocol, and now the inverter and the battery is communicating properly. You can see there that L1 at the bottom stands for lithium communication. Right, there's your comms cable here. And the other thing is, if your system isn't set up correctly and you put in the Wi-Fi dongle, your battery readings that the app will give you will be totally way off. It will be reading you shit data. It will be saying the battery is 50%, meanwhile it's flat. It will be giving you false readings on the battery. That also got resolved in that process. And one more other thing, they sold this kit with 6 SunGuard 495 watt panels. I bought it last week. This week they don't have stock, and the supplier isn't bringing in any more stock. So now how do I expand my system's kilowatts? Because I discovered 6 panels in winter is only producing 2 kilowatts of power, which really is not sufficient to charge the battery and to power the loads of the house. You know, I've got fish tanks over there, and they draw about 1 kilowatt an hour, whereas the battery could, I've seen it draw 3 kilowatts from the grid to charge. So yeah, after some hunting and fighting and everything, I managed to find another 4 of the same solar panel, but I'm still too short. I need 12 panels to make up 6 kilowatts. But I'm not sure if I'm correctly educated on this topic. So far as I know, I will explain to you what I know, and if you guys think I'm wrong somewhere, please feel free to correct me, because that's what I need. I need information. If any of you have SunGuard 495 watt panels, hit me up, I'll buy them straight away. I just need two. If not, let's look at the options, the alternatives. Just because another panel is a 495 watt doesn't mean it's a good idea, because it might have lower voltage and amperage ratings. So if I buy two of those that have lower ratings than the ones I currently have, that means, because I'm connecting my panels up in series, if I put two panels at the end that have less voltage and amperage than the ones on the other side of the string, that means it will pull down all 10 of the other panels, which is no good. That's a serious deficiency. So there are also 495 watt panels with higher voltages and higher amperages that they output, also 495 watt. I was thinking if I put two of those in, then it shouldn't be too much of an issue, because they will be pulled down to the lowest value, and the other 10 panels are being the lowest value in terms of voltage and amperage. That should work. That shouldn't cause any problems. I should still get my 495 watts from both those panels. Am I right? Am I wrong? That's just the way I'm thinking. Unfortunately, if the original panel was still available, I would do that. But I'm in a bit of a pickle regarding the finalizing of the system. Let me know what you think, guys.